Tesla MedBedX. Optimize your biological performance. Tesla MedBedX is an innovative wellness technology designed to support relaxation, comfort, and overall well-being through advanced heat and energy-based therapy. This premium system integrates far-infrared heat therapy, pulsed electromagnetic field, PEMF, and red light technology to harmonize with the body's natural processes. The gentle infrared warmth temporarily increases local blood circulation where applied, helping soothe minor muscle stiffness and promote relaxation. PEMF and photonic support are engineered to enhance cellular energy and recovery after physical activity, while calming negative ions support deep rest and a balanced mind-body experience ideal for modern wellness seekers. Key points. 1. Deep relaxation support system. Better sleep wellness technology, thus infrared PEMF therapy, MAT4. Full body comfort solution of stress relief recovery support. For more details, visit our website given in the description. Thank you.